Terry, this is one of the turkeys. I just scared a group of about 6 or 7 of them away. I think there might be 1 or 2 left out here. And they're hard to see right now. I'm just starting to record information about the bird feeder apparatus. This is Brad Teets. This is patent number 6401658. And just wanted to start getting a little information together here. Right now I'm still inside the house, looking out the breakfast nook. Yeah, I see 3 turkeys out there. They're sneaking around out there somewhere. There's one leaving right back there. There's another one. There's a hummingbird. It's a little smaller than the turkeys. This camera's new to me, so it's I'm just getting used to it. This is a height adjustable apparatus with a suet feeder and thistle seed feeder attached to the bracketry. Still got the locating pin, and I'll try getting down here so we can see that there's a critter canopy down there also with a locator pin underneath it. But I'm still inside the house right now. I'll get outside and give you a closer up view of them. I'm outside on the deck now, Terry. This is another feeder application. That's my dog inside the house still. This is a log cabin like the design that I've given you guys a copy of. Also has a critter canopy. This one I'm using some eye bolts, threaded eye bolts and nuts, just to lock them in position. That's an option. My locating pin is self-locking that I've designed. Works a lot better than these threaded eye bolts. This is a 1 1/4 inch mounting post and 1 1/2 inch sleeve right there that's the feeder's mounted on. This is a solid 3/4 inch cedar feeder. The fill cap is on top, which is the chimney. This critter canopy has a fixed sleeve to it that prevents it from wobbling over, which I've experienced if it's able to wobble over too far, or if the critter canopy is small enough, a raccoon can get over it. But this particular one, the way it's fixed like this, will not allow a raccoon to get over the critter canopy. Over here to the other ones. This is another log cabin, exactly as my design shows. 3/4 inch cedar also. This also has a 1 1/2 inch sleeve, locating pin, locating or mounting pin, critter canopy. Also on its released sleeve, it has the plastic, contoured plastic cap on top of the steel sleeve, which allows it to pivot and rotate a little bit and swivel and rotate around the shaft of the mounting post. There's also a locating or mounting pin underneath that critter canopy. This is also a 1 1/4 inch mounting post. Very nice application. This product works very, very well. You can see by the pictures that I've sent you, this particular mounting apparatus here, a bracketry apparatus, I've adapted a lot of things to it. Candles, light, chimes, flag, bird houses, just to name a few. Other things come to mind. I haven't listed them in the documents. It's just something to give you guys an idea. There's more things available. Sarah and I will show the operation of these, both the adaptable bracketry, its mounting, and we'll show the operation of that, and then we'll show the full operation of this one, the cedar feeder. That will show the full operation of that also. I'll go into detail on the pins, the sleeves, the contoured plastic, the critter canopy. Those are the main components. My wife's still at work. She'll be home soon. It is Wednesday night. We're showing this to you. I'm 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I don't have another bracket built up right now, or this nectar feeder would be hung from it also. Right now it's hung from a tree branch. And believe it or not, I have to get out a ladder. Isn't that crazy? I'm planning on building prototypes that can be surface mounted. The base will be adjustable for leveling. The vertical post that this mounting post will set on will be welded to the steel frame base, and we will be able to put any mounting post on it and show the different applications. And I'm hoping to have this all built and ready to come to you here by about little after the 1st of August, or right around there. That's my goal. And I will ship it direct to you as soon as I can. I'm going to build 3 of them. I'll send 2 to you, and I'll keep 1. I've scared the turkeys away right now, and all the squirrels are gone. There was a whole bunch of them running around out here. Every once in a while you'll hear that wind chime right there. It's just a little bit breezy out here, not too bad right now. I'm walking around on my deck. We're elevated quite a ways off the ground. We'll go down. My head right now, I'm about 11-12 feet off the ground. Down at this end, standing down here, I'm going to be 13-14 feet off the ground. It's my head is. It's quite a bit further. This fencing is for my dog. Yeah, you could say these trees are pretty close to the deck. I'll stop this for now. I'll talk to you in a little bit.
Yep.
Okay, we're going to show operation again today. Functionality. This is the critter canopy, which sets on this particular spline. The spline is held up by a pin. It's got a contoured plastic lead on it onto a steel sleeve. The sleeve is 1.5 inch. The post is 1 1/4 inch conduit. And I'm going to lower this down. I'll remove the pin. Now another locating pin or mounting pin holding the feeder up. Also on a 1.5 inch sleeve conduit. Remove the fill cap. I'll just put a little feed in. Pretty simple operation. Okay, now we're gonna do the operation again, and my wife will do it. This is Sarah. This particular feeder holds almost 2 gallons. See the locating notches? There's no notches in the critter canopy. There's no sense having notches in the sleeve. That thing's round anyways. But we have the notches here for orientation of the feeder.